Boop, boop.
Finally!
Oh, are you gonna do that?
Yeah, I am. Finally, I get to play!
Yes, this is gonna be like
Tuesday.
it's gonna be a week after we actually record this. But Eric's playing finally, and we're in a big red room. Welcome back to Telltale Tuesdays. Heavy Rain. We're nearing the end of this game, actually.
Why am I walking so slow?
Look at how big that hallway is, Eric. That is a fucking weird optical illusion. We had sex and we're missing limbs, Eric. I think that Ethan deserves to take a little jog. We're missing our finger.
That's not a limb.
It's a limb.
Limb is a...
It's a limb. It's a part of your body.
Off your limb. It's not a limb.
It's a limb.
It's not a limb. Leave in the comments below.
Yeah, comments below. Is a finger a limb?
Excuse me.
Look at all these
Sorry, guys.
freaking cameras. Let's do it. Big red room to a white room. This is all you, man. I know what happens, but you're gonna have to...
Do I have to do another freaking challenge?
Yeah, it's your final challenge.
Oh, fuck.
I forget, did you kill that guy?
Yeah, I did.
The last trial.
The last trial.
The last question. Are you prepared to give your life to save your sons? There is a deadly poison in this
Whoa.
vial. It will kill you in exactly 60 minutes. If you drink it, you will get the last letters of the address. You will have enough time to save your son and say goodbye to him, but then you will die.
Oh, shit.
You can drink the vial or decide to leave. The choice is yours.
Wait. Let's think about this. We already messed up one challenge, so we're already missing letters. Because we messed up the butterfly challenge where I had to crawl through glass.
We didn't mess it up, did we?
Yeah, because the electrical part we couldn't actually do. Because we're fucking...
failed
We
it.
both fucked it up, okay? So, if we leave,
Why does it get mirrors?
they're all cameras pointed at you.
There's all those mirrors around.
They're TVs. So what can we do? We can leave, and we already have, like... We could guess a spot, or we could drink the fucking... We're drinking it, okay?
I didn't mean to do that.
We're drinking the poison.
I didn't mean to do that.
Alright, here we go. Hold up. No, it's just looking at it, I think. It looks like water.
Do you think it's not actually poison? Or
Who the fuck knows? This guy's a pretty...
should I
Just drink it.
go for it? Did you drink it?
I don't know. You're dead.
What? I'm not kidding. Actually. Oh.
Both of your characters died! Oh my god!
Can I have one of yours?
No, I'm not giving you one of my fucking characters. Fuck you!
Why was
You
it-
just started playing again and you die.
No, I still have 60 minutes until I die.
Alright, you got 60 minutes and we have to
Can I
find your son.
Can I find like a thing?
Oh god, look at all the TVs. They're pointing at you.
The last letters have been sent to your phone.
You could've done that the whole fucking time? Oh god. Something Roosevelt, right?
852 something.
It was an H. Alright, let's leave. Did we mess up more than one of the
I
challenges?
did what I had to, Sean.
Yeah?
Your dad's coming to save you.
Because we did the car one. We did the chop your finger off. We did the crawl through glass. We failed that. And what was another one? What was the one we just did? Oh, we shot the guy.
Oh, shut there.
Alright, we shot the guy. You killed him? Okay. We killed him. And then... So, fucking, if we fail, we missed all of the letters? All of those letters came in that one
Nowhere, and
fucking
I'm out of
message?
time. Damn fucking shitty letters from this fucking address. Come on!
Goodness, I
There's
guess.
gotta be a way to do this.
We did all the fucking challenges. Alright, let's just look at the phone.
Several different addresses fit these letters. God,
Theodore.
they're scattered all over the city. I don't have time to check them all.
Oh god. Theodore Roosevelt. Alright, so let's look at the GPS. Yes. No, I don't want to look at the fucking sun. I'd rather us do some shit. Seagull. There's seagulls. Seagulls. Here are a lot of birds. And a boat. Alright, it's by the water. by the water, Eric. Alright, there's only 3 fucking spots. Of course it's the one by the water.
I may only have time for one address. If Sean's not there,
Done.
I'm done.
Yeah, fucking
It's a
that was
crapshoot.
easy. Is that it? There was boats and seagulls. Of course it was fucking it. That was way too easy. That was way too easy. How is that a challenge, okay? It's me.
Let me stay with you, Scott. I don't want to go.
Oh, hey.
Look,
are you gonna hook
it'll
up with
only
her?
take a couple of days. Long enough to get this resolved.
I can't just wait while you confront my son's killer.
It's the only way.
I'm hooking up with another girl. You are
Now go
not
stay with
doing
your mother
good.
for a few days, and I'll come and get you when this is all over.
Oh man, is she
Tell
really
me
like
who the
us?
origami killer is. I want to know who killed my son.
Listen, when I'm done, I'll tell you everything I know. I promise.
So it must be fucking Ethan Mars. We totally kissed her. I love this girl. Dude, this is like totally romantic. She's got a nice ass too. Ah, God, I love this game. I've never done this. I killed her the first time. When I played this, I killed her. Like, I accidentally missed. Like, I didn't know we could save her. I'm like, hey, Warren, wake up. Oh, it's you.
Hang on, John. I'll get help. Just hang on. Go on, hurry.
Yeah. That must be
The
Ethan,
water's
though.
rising.
Fucking.
I'm hurrying.
Of course
I'll be
it's
right
Ethan.
back.
Well, he probably just fell. To get help. I don't know. Look for a construction worker. Go right. Why are you going in circles? Yeah! Let's get in the car. You can't fucking drive. Oh, RV. RV. Straight ahead. To your right. Nice fucking jogging sounds. Dude. Oh, there he is. Dad. Help me. Dad. Dad.
Dad, it's John. He fell into a pipe. He's
Get out of
drowned.
here, you little pest. Leave me
God,
alone.
I fucking hate
Come
dads.
on, John's gonna die. John's gonna
I'm
die.
sorry.
That'll be one less
You have a
greedy
dad.
selfish
I
fee,
fucking
won't
hate
it?
dads.
Go away.
Please, Dad, I'm begging you. John's gonna die. John's gonna
What did
die,
I tell
Dad.
you? Crap.
Fucking asshole.
Please, Dad. You've got to save John.
What an asshole.
I tried, John. I really tried.
Go find somebody
But you
else.
can't. Please don't die, John. Please.
Scotty!
Don't
Oh my
forget
God!
me, Scotty.
Scott, show me! Are you fucking kidding? No! It doesn't fit! Scott hasn't done anything! Oh, dude. Yeah, he like they go to get him out. Dude, the kid was fucking playing around the entire time. His foot wasn't even stuck.
After he drowned, his body's floating. Oh.
Oh, god damn it. Fucking, we're doing more. I want to finish that shit. Give me the, I'm Scott. I am Scott. You can play as the girl.
The character's not dead yet.
No, you're right. You got 60 minutes. Starting now. Oh god, fuck my life. That
You
sucks.
got 60 minutes. Right? 59 minutes.
What's this? Oh my god, he's totally the origami killer. Alan Winter. Did he do all that shit then? So why was he even helping her? Dude, she's not going for it. Fuck off, Timer. We're doing this shit. Why would she even, like... She's not gonna go for you now, bro. You just kissed her and she's gonna be like, fuck you. You killed... Oh, it's that guy we saved. By being a badass. I beat the shit out of a robber. A phone? Oh, it's the phone we got from the baby mama. Remember her? The one that I did change the baby's diaper and shit? Her. She almost killed herself. No, not the hooker. She almost killed herself. No, not the hooker.
Yeah, it was the hooker.
The hooker was with us the entire time. Oh, I don't want to burn my favorite picture. It's the last one of me and John. No! Oh, God. That's his mom? And the sons never visit? Oh, fucking hell. Why do I have to play as this guy? I got the fucking worst character. I got the sexaholic and the murderer. God damn it. Why did I get the goddamn murderer? Is that the notepad?
Why were you trying to investigate?
Why did we kill him? We were playing as him the entire time. How the hell did they get
We
that?
started killing everybody.
So how did we not know this? We were watching him the entire time. God, this fucking game.
But why did he try to investigate into it?
I don't know. Ah, shit.
It was a messed up game.
It's fucking very well made.
It's like a
It's very well made.
jerks your mood.
It jerks you around. Would you say that jerks you?
Circle jerks you.
You get into a big circle with all your friends, and I mean, it just happens, you know? I mean,
No.
who knows? We can call up some friends.
Hooker again.
Not the hooker! The journalist that is also has nose hair. Because apparently that's all we see of her.
And boobs.
Oh, of course she has a nice ass.
I said
She doesn't
boobs.
have boobs. She has a nice
She sort of
ass.
has boobs.
Her ass is her main quality. Oh, hey, next time on Telltale Tuesdays, we're finishing this shit. Thank you all for watching. And goodbye.